Happy dinner.
Hey girl, hey, welcome in. It's Melissa. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on. Here we do unboxings, we talk our little chit chat. This is our piece of the corner where women can retreat and get away from the kids, get away from the husband. Pull up with your coffee or your tea, girl, or even that cup of wine. It's 12 o'clock somewhere. So if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I ask that each and every one of you, if whether you're new or you're returning, please like, share, comment. It helps to grow my channel. It helps me reach other ladies that are like me and you. We want to just have our own little piece of the internet for 15 minutes, you know? So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Okay, hey girl, hey. Let's get into this unboxing that I have scheduled for us. Let's jump right on in. So I picked up two things from Coach Outlet. So let's get into it. So the first thing I picked up was this vanity here. I've never had one of these, but I intend to carry it like a purse. So this is the leopard print. I'm trying to be aesthetically pleasing, y'all. Okay. Okay, so here she is. Got a little hang tag. So this is the leopard print. This is so cute. Okay, get into the details. Okay. So have you guys ever ordered one of these? This one does have the mirror in the inside. Has your little pocket there you can use. Okay. And here is the mirror. Yeah, girl. So you definitely can fit your phone in there without a problem. Okay. That's a pretty wide bottom. So you can definitely fit your stuff in there, girl. All the things. Okay. So yeah, I intend to put 2 D-rings right here. I want to put 2 D-rings right there. And how I'm going to keep them in place, I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. But this is so cute. Uh-huh. Yeah. And then there's your little hang tag. This is so cute. Even if I don't put a chain, like this is just still cute. It's really cute. I like this. And then for the piece of El Resistance, we have it here. Yes. Okay. So this is the Suede mini rowan that all the girls are going crazy over. So I actually found this at my nearest boutique. Well, not boutique, my nearest Coach outlet. I made a phone call to my essay and she got it right on over to me. Now, I don't intend to wear it until I spray it down. Now, this is a display bag, I do believe. I'm not sure. I mean, it's soft. Um, I've never owned a suede bag, but really what sent me was when I went to the Coach boutique here. I tried on the Empire, the suede, the warm, the same color, the warm brown suede Empire, the 34. I was like, oh, this is nice. Maybe I'm missing out. So I do love my mini Rowans. That I do. I do love my little mini Rowans. But this is cute. Get into the little details. So like here, I don't know. It actually says Coach. It's not gonna focus, but that is so cute. It's like the little details that Coach does. It's like chef's kiss. And it does come with the crossbody strap. So let me try it on for y'all. Let me just try it on. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let me try it on. Okay, so here she is. Let me back the camera up a little bit. Here she is, y'all. Okay. And this is like, I want to say, I got the strap on opposite, but this is a good length. I really like it more. So here a little bit. So just a little bit. I will shorten it just a little bit. I don't want it too much like all the way down there. I want it like right here. It's good. So yeah. So when y'all wear a crossbody, do you drop the handles or do you keep them like that? What do y'all do? What y'all do, y'all? This is so cute. I just love it. Okay. So let me bring y'all back on over here. Okay. So what are your thoughts on the suede? Have you guys ever owned any suede bags? I don't know. I mean, I'm just now getting back into my purse era. So I don't know. I mean, it's a lot of women that from birth are purse girls. So let me know your thoughts on the suede. I mean, I know like everything is a repeat. This is like giving 70s vibes. Like that's where we at in the chic hobo era. Um and don't get me wrong, I love a 70s vibe, okay? Like back in the 2000s when we was doing the bell bottoms. Baby, I love me a good pair of bell bottoms, and don't give me the ones with the butterflies on it with the glitter. With the glitter, girl, you couldn't tell me a thing. I was too cute. You hear me? Too cute. But I am just loving this. I am. I'm a little afraid, girl. But yeah, there's no feet on the bottom. As you know, Coach stopped doing. Well, I don't know about this particular. I don't know the mini Rowans, but I know the regular line Rowans. They used to have feet. They don't. They no longer do it. It's only on the extra large Rowan. Um. So yeah, to me, this is not giving Coach outlet. This is giving Coach boutique all the way. And even here, even like on the D ring, it says Coach. Let me see. It is just not gonna focus, y'all. But it definitely says Coach there. It's the little things that like make a difference, you know. I thought this had two zippers. I'm tripping. I guess I am tripping. Girl, I thought it had two zippers. Do my other one got two zippers? No, it's one zipper. See, girl, I love me a mini Rowan. Hold on, I got one more. I love the mini Rowans because people are sleep on these. These hold way more than you think. Like this holds a very decent amount. You know what? I know all the girls be like doing the what's in my bag. I'm gonna do one for the mini rowan because this packs a punch. It's small, but it do what needs to be done. And I cannot wait to wear this fall and winter, y'all. Okay. And I'm here in Indianapolis. And so we don't get that much snow here. So I'm gonna be wearing this girl. I'm gonna be wearing this girl, period. But she gonna have some competition. She gonna be competing with my taxi tote. That there, I don't know, like I never felt like such happiness with my purse before, which is it's crazy like how I feel about it. I know this is about the rowan, but let me show you my taxi tote. So this here is the taxi tote. I don't know if it's the colors, and I've never been like a Louis Vuitton, never full type of girl. Like I used to kind of like, oh, I want it, but it was more of an influence vibe, more so than like I was really attracted to the bag because it was a representation of luxury. Um, but since then I've grown and I know better. I'm not into that. I don't need that. Not for me. But this here, girl, when I put my little stuff on there, I was like, oh, I'm in love. I'm in purse love. And for my ladies that don't understand, but you watch my unboxing, you just got to get the right purse, girl. You just got to get the right purse. But this here, so I got my little crybaby. This is actually put your headphones, your like little AirPods in there, put your little money or something in there, and then I thought this was so cute. I have this charm here because it's called the taxi tote. So this charm is actually giving just straight city vibes, and that is me. I'm from the city, okay? You got your taxi, you got your cup of coffee, you got your purse on here. It's all the things that's giving city life, city girl, period. Um, and then I have my hang tag that I got personalized. And you probably can't see it, but I actually have it embossed with our wedding date, which is basically 30 days away. And then this one, I got my inspo is like a playing card. So you know what? I should have got a number on there with the. I'm like, something is missing, but I couldn't put my hand on it. So I should have got a 8 of hearts. That's what I should have done. Okay. I'm just thinking about it right now because this is spelled, my inspo was a playing card. It should have been an 8 of hearts. 8 is it's my special number. Do you guys have a special number? Let me know. So if you don't know me, I'm a rambler. I go from this to that to this to that. I got one of them scrambled ass brains and I'm just all over the place. So hopefully you kept up with me between all this, okay? But getting back to this and this. So yeah, girl, this is gotta get my little shot for my what do you call that thing? When you do your video. But this is like bomb. Y'all don't even know. Like, I'm so happy. And I just love this leopard print. I want to get the shoes in the leopard print. I actually already have a pair of Adidas with the leopard print. Should I show y'all? Are y'all interested? Let's see, girl. Let's see. Let's see if it matches real quick. Let's see what I got. It's not an exact print. It doesn't matchy. Could I pull it off? No, I can't. I can't. I can't do that. And I'm not a matchy person. But this is clearly like cheetah print, not leopard print. I don't know what I thought. But yeah, so that's a no. But that means that I need to go ahead and find me a leopard print bag, right? What y'all think about these Adidas though? Since we're talking, I think this is like straight fall vibes, y'all. You can't tell me shit. But okay. Well, if you're here and we're at the end of the video, I thank you, girl. You made it. Yes, you did. You made it to the end. And I thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much for giving me 15, 20 minutes of your time today because I know time is precious. Okay. We don't have enough of it in the 24 hours. We don't. So I thank you so much. And I hope that you come back and for future videos. I'm trying to get myself on a regular schedule to go ahead out and push these videos out to you ladies. So once again, this is not about spending money. This is about doing things for ourselves and feeling good about it. But we can do it within a budget. We don't have to go and spend all of our coins. We don't. And you can get the same quality, the same aesthetic that they're giving on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. We can do all the things, okay, on a budget. So that's why I say my theme is bougie on a budget. Yes, that's me. So thank you so much, ladies. That's the end of my yapping. Thank you so much for tuning in. You have a good day. Mwah.